up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got an adorable 1980 MG Midget up for sale today. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Before we get started, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see new content, new classic cars every day. We get new inventory. If you want to be notified, hit the notification button so that way it pops up right away and you don't miss out on the car. Let's go ahead and get started. 1980 MG Midget. Bought this from one of my clients. He had 6 cars in his collection. This was in his garage. It runs and drives fabulously. We'll start it up for you shortly. Overall, it's in solid condition. There's no rot on it, no rust. It's only got 54,000 original miles on it. Start off with the fender, driver's side fender. You got a little paintless dent removal here, a small little ding that can be taken out. We call that a PDR in the industry. You got a little scratch right here, a couple little imperfections there. Paint's in good condition. You can see my reflection pretty well in it. Bottom of the fender, there's no rot or anything like that. Wheels also in really good shape. Tires like new. Move to the front of the vehicle. Pinstripe over here has come off a little bit, as you can see. Rest of the hood is in good shape. Lights, no cracks. If you look at the bumper, plastic bumper, but there's no imperfections. We move on to the passenger side fender. A couple little nicks into it right there. Rest of the fender's in good shape. Little touch up was done there. Look at the tire. Tire's also brand new on this side. Wheels in good shape. You move across the bottom. Bottom, you see no rust or no bubbling. Now this door does have some imperfections. You can see there was a couple scratches there. Couple little imperfections there. Right there. Rest of the door's in good shape though. Come over here and you got a little crease right there. No rot though. Tire also is in newer condition. Tires are all like new. Little imperfection right there. The light's got a little, this could probably be polished out. We go on this side, the trunk. The trunk does have a little indentation right here, and that's when you close the trunk. You got to be careful because this locks. If you push this down too hard, you will bend it up. I learned my lesson because I did that. Look inside the trunk. No issues. In good shape. Shuts the way it should. Back bumper's in good shape. It's got no dents or dings or anything like that. Driver's side quarter also in good shape. Tire is like new on this one as well. 4 new tires. You go over here, you got some scratches, and that's from the top. When you put the top on, you got to make sure it clips in or it will rub against there. Soft top is in the back right here. It is a little challenge to put on. You got to get used to it. Once you get it on, it takes about a 15-20 minute process. Unless you know what you're doing, you can probably get it done faster. Open the inside. Inside is good. Inside doors. Real quick, like, we'll take a look underneath. The undercarriage is in good shape. There's no rot or anything like that. This guy does have some cobwebs underneath because it was sitting in the garage. Like I said, this guy had a collection of 6 cars, did not drive them very much at all. Obviously you can tell because of the mileage is super low on this one. Same thing here. 54,142. It is a 6-digit odometer, so that is correct mileage. Go ahead and start it up for you. Oil pressure works, RPMs work. Gas gauge, I put a little gas in it. It was on empty. It only went up a quarter. It's actually going up now a little bit more. The clock works. The fan button here for the fan. The AC does not work. There is no AC, but the heat does work. I did test it out. Blowing hot. See if I can figure it out. Little button right here, you pull, little latch. There we go. Little gas saver here. Again, this car's not full of horsepower or anything like that. It's just a cool 4-wheel cruiser. It looks good. It drives very well. Not a perfect car, but it's a solid example of a clean MG. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This is a clean cruiser. It looks good. These MGs are actually going up in value. For a long time, they weren't really real popular, and now they're starting to get some traction. It's a pretty good investment. I would definitely recommend if you're getting into the hobby or want a nice, cool convertible. This is a good choice up there with the 80s BMW convertibles. Give me a call directly, 215-801-9493. If you have any questions, call me directly. We'll put a deal together and get it shipped out to you within 24 hours. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. Hit that like button if you like our videos and want to see more content. Appreciate you guys. Take care, and God bless the USA.